ain't nothing nice, nigga. Lose your life on the dice, nigga. Hate niggas, we indict niggas. And we ain't even really gotta pull the trigger. Why? Cause niggas fight niggas. That's what I like. Niggas rolling the smoke and lose focus. Lost in the spell of this hell, focus, focus. They got us in changes. We argue who dopest, but don't give up. Hold, look inside you, I goaded. They know we are chosen. Look up the heavens, I open. The war's going on, but you won when he wrote in my G. Say he's 742. We exploding the vice stores and pistols and beating. Crips in the bloods every hood, every city. Raise up your fist if you hate me, you with me. Christians and Muslims break bread. We got bigger problems instead. Forget yesterday, look ahead. Decision will follow wherever we head. Splitting the waters for all of the sons and the daughters. It's hard, but if we stop now, it will be harder. I have no shame, Lord, I pray to the Father. Lead me and guide me, protect me, provide me with everything that I may need in your army. I see Pharaoh coming, he's planning to harm me. Performing your miracles time after time. We are your Jews, they don't want us to shine. Dollar signs blocking my vision.
I am in my room. Just gonna give y'all a quick tour. Nothing fancy. It's just a Holiday Inn Express. And this is the bathroom. Absolutely love this LED mirror. I look a hot mess. Hey, how y'all doing? There's a shower, nice little shower head. 2 beds. There we go. And we cannot have this up like this. Where's the heat? And my view is just nothing spectacular. So I have a little restaurant, Mexican restaurant across the way. Not far from my aunt's house. It's my aunt's house we just left. I believe my cousin is going to join me in this room. It is her birthday this weekend. She will be here Friday. So today's Wednesday. Yes, today's Wednesday. She'll be here Friday. So I'll already be settled in. And my luggage is right here. So yay, we made it, you guys. It's been a long time since I've been back here. Y'all know I used to live in Houston. So I'm gonna get settled in and we will see where the night takes us.
They clearly didn't like it. They tried to get around
popcorn.
That's what's really going on here. But they're talking about his character also. And you're not the only one. Your friend.
Ooh, we got some Cajun pasta here. And I got my broccoli with it. And then I got a water. And then I'm gonna order one of those. Hey guys, so I am ready for bed. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit so you guys can hear me. So your girl is ready for bed. I got my sleep clothes on, but I'm going to do my face mask. So if you have not watched my review on this clay mask right here, I advise you to check it out.
Splitting the waters for all of the sons and the daughters. It's hard, but if we stop now, it will be harder. I have no shame, Lord, I pray to the Father. Lead me and guide me, protect me, provide me with everything that I may need in your army. I see Pharaoh coming, he's planning to harm me. Performing your miracles time after time. We are your Jews, they don't want us to shine. Dollar signs blocking my vision in Babylon's prison. Weight on my back, without you I can't lift it. You gifted my spirit with this ghetto spitting. I said make me like you, you gave me a cross. The spring turned to summer, then summer to fall. The leaves from the autumn now covered in frost. Cadillacs, gold teeth, fine.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Fine, thick sisters. Music with the low bass and 808s, church houses with the choirs glorifying the creator. Handshake solidifying unity, better known as showing love. Soul food for grub. You call it the South, I call it home. Moving step by step, yeah, with everything up. Hoping things go right till I close my eye with my soul on ice. Moving step by step, Yeah, with everything left, hoping things go right till I close my eye with my soul on ice. Moving step by step, yeah, with everything left, hoping things go right till I close my eyes with my soul on ice. 202. With my soul on ice, with my soul on ice, with my soul on ice. Soul on ice.
So this the basket, y'all. Everybody stopping in.
Yeah, the struggle that a win, man. And that's real.
Y'all, the birthday girls here. Yay. Hey, hey. Turn up. 12 a.m. gonna be our birthday.
Oh, I can't wait.
Bring it in Houston, Texas with the big dogs. Woo.
Girl, I can't wait to take a shot with some shit.
Yes. Come on, we still go. It's a turn this TV off. Oh, y'all don't know, this is my cousin. Y'all. Yeah, Betty. Yes. Betty. Y'all, this is my outfit. Already.
Cause I ain't got no damn
Cash. Me neither.
I didn't know. Do I need to make you put on some clothes? No,
I'm like the ring finger on the vinyl, scratching back and forth until I find you, just to get a sample and piece it all together if I can't. Ooh, gotta be on time, diligently finding the tempo for sublime. One time for your mind, my lyrics gotta fit it, so 2 times I check the rhyme. Make sure to put my heart in every line. I know I said I'm all about the bag, but I was lying. But don't get me wrong, I'm trying to stack it long, but we can build something together, make this house a happy home. Let's elevate towards the stars, past Jupiter and Mars, create a map while traveling back and write about it in the song. Never leave you alone, be your backbone and harmony, baby, making it strong. Was once a player in my youth, but now I'm grown. Be the wisdom to my crown, here's a throne. Yeah, come along. They say my generation, we ain't loving no more. Less is money, cars and hoes, but don't think.
Hey y'all, hey. So you guys know I went and watched Queen and Slim last night, and oh my god, y'all, I was in tears. Like the whole movie, like there's so many emotions packed into one movie. Like, it is insane. And it's not just like regular emotions, it's like artistic emotions throughout the whole movie. And that type of emotion, it just flips your feelings inside out. Like, it stirs every pot within your body. It just stirs it, especially if you're like sensitive. You're very sensitive like me, empathetic. Y'all, it's a must see, I will say that. Go and see the movie. Keep an open mind while watching the movie. You guys, I'm about to put up my mini Christmas tree. So I'm just gonna pour up some wine real quick, and then I'm gonna get started. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. So you guys, I'm about to put my Christmas tree up. It's a little small Christmas tree, so everything in my apartment is small. I am becoming a minimalist slowly, okay? So this is my little Christmas tree. It is a mini Christmas tree. I actually don't know how big this is. It says 32 inches, but this will be my first time putting it up.
They say my generation, we ain't loving no more. Less is money, cars and hoes, but I don't think they really know. Cause I've been dealing with this Jonz up in my bones. If this destiny is meant for me, then here it don't belong. They try to tell you every nigga is a dog up in heat, but that's deceitful, don't believe him, not at all. I'm a king, I'm a god, need a guy that's on my side. Know this destiny is meant for me, so hurry, don't be long. I used to want them all, now they all very far from my vision. My puzzle's incomplete, cause you the piece that I've been missing. Can't doubt the mission, my sounds are black, it's optimistic. Didn't notice till I got closer, like them cars be whipping, dipping fastly. You caught me on your radar, then wrote me a ticket to come and kick it at your layer. You know that I be there like Jackson 5, I arrived surprisingly on time. You had some music playing softly so I could catch the vibe. Said come in, I've been expecting you, I'm preparing the meal. While it's cooking, we can sit off in the den, converse and chill. You asked me what's my goals, I asked you about yours. I told you you're beautiful from your head to your toes. You replied that beauty's really in your mind and in your soul. The beholder of the treasure gains the wealth soon as he knows. Can't see the diamond in front of your eye till you wipe out the cold. Damn, for sure. They say my generation, we ain't loving no more. Less is money, cars and hoes, but I don't think they really know. Cause I've been dealing with this zones up in my bones. If this destiny is meant for me, then hurry, don't be long. They try to tell you every nigga is a dog up in heat, but that's deceitful, don't believe him, not at all. I'm a king, I'm a god, need a guy that's on my side. Know this destiny is meant for me, so hurry, don't be long.